Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Show patient ID, first name, last name and attending doctor's specialty. Show only the patients who has diagnosis as epilepsy and the doctor's first name is Lisa. So what they are saying is like the patient should have epilepsy and then they should be like their the treating doctor should be Lisa, who is having their first name as. So let's check this. Select from and as they are given a condition, so I am going with where class. So from so they have given different tables. They are patients, admissions table, as well as doctors table. See here. So first let I will be joining as I need all the patients information. I am joining patients as well as left join with admission table. Admissions as a on what condition we can see here we can see that patients table primary key is patient ID and then even there is some foreign key called patient's ID in admissions table too. So I can join with this, right? So p dot patient ID is equals to a dot patient ID. Now we have one temporary table and I am joining this temporary table with doctors table. I join again doctors as the on see on what condition. Here you can see that attending doctor ID in admissions table will be equals to doctor's ID in doctor's table, right? So I will be joining on this condition. So A dot attending doctor ID is equals to D dot doctor ID. D dot doctor ID. So let me give the condition that what is the condition given? So patient diagnosis should be A dot diagnosis should be epilepsy. Epilepsy and D dot doctor ID, doctor first name, right? First name should be Lisa. So this is the given condition. Now what we are required? So P dot patient ID, comma, I need P dot last name. So here why I am using P dot, because last name was there in two different tables. In patient's table, first name and last name were there. In doctor's name also first name, last name were there, right? So as to avoid this confusion to the query, I am going with I'm going with P dot so that it will have some clarity. And then P dot last name attending doctor's specialty, right? So D dot specialty. So this is all the query. Let's check it. Okay, let's check it again. Let's debug. So patients as P left join, admissions as A on patient ID is equals to A dot patient ID left join doctors attending not yes. Okay, select P dot patient name. So patient ID first, then first name, patient first. Okay, fine. Here it is. Here patient's first name too, right? Patient first name and last name, right? So let's check it. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. We have one more question in between. So all patients who have gone through admissions can see their medical document on our site. Those patients are given a temporary password after their first admission, show their patient ID and temporary password. So what they are saying is they can see patients who are admitted in the hospital can see their documentation in their website. So they will be having the temporary password given to the patients after their first admission. So and then they have given certain rules for password. So let's do this. Select and from which table we are extracting. See here, if you see password and then patient's table and admissions table, right? So all patients who have gone through admissions can okay. So fine, here you can see that all the information regarding password will be available in patient's table, right? But what is the point of giving admissions table? Yeah, let me see you. Okay, so patients as P join, that is inner join, as admissions as A on P dot patient ID. See here I am going with I am going with inner join because see, I am not required every patients because unless the patient is admitted, they are not given any documentation in their our website. So we need to know. See here, they have mentioned that after the first admission, right? So to check this, so who are the patients who are common in between both tables, patients as well as admissions table. So though only those people, only those patients will be getting the temporary password. So that is the reason here. Okay, that is the reason I am required two tables distinct patient ID, distinct patient ID, comma. So concatenation of patient ID, e dot patient ID. Okay, e dot patient ID, comma. So this is the password actually. Patient ID, comma, numerical length of patient length of the last name, comma, year of patient's birth rate, right? Patient's birth rate as temporary password. So this is the query. Let's check it. Ambiguous column. Okay, let's keep this. Yeah, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.